This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken Caesar salad at home. Start by seasoning chicken with salt and pepper and searing or grilling until cooked through. Make a creamy dressing by whisking mayo, lemon juice, garlic, Dijon, anchovy paste, and a touch of olive oil. Chop romaine, add warm sliced chicken, toss with dressing and croutons, then finish with shaved Parmesan and a fresh grind of black pepper. Make the dressing first so flavors meld while you cook the chicken. Whisk mayo, lemon juice, garlic, anchovy paste, and Dijon until smooth, then season with salt and pepper. If it feels too thick, add a little olive oil or water for pourability. Taste and adjust lemon for brightness or anchovy for savory depth. Chilling briefly helps flavors marry, making the whole salad taste more cohesive when plated. Quick recommendation: if you love comfort while cooking, consider Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for durable, comfy feet in the kitchen. They hold up through long prep sessions and keep you feeling good on your feet. If you want one pair that lasts, check the description for the link and other deals. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. For best chicken, pound breasts to even thickness, season well, and cook over medium-high heat until internal temperature is safe and juices run clear. Let the chicken rest before slicing to retain juiciness. Make croutons from day-old bread tossed with olive oil and garlic, then bake until crisp. Combine warm chicken with chilled romaine so the greens stay crisp while the flavors meld for a delicious contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.